جوړې بدې شاړې کړم ښایسته بادې سوچند کړم هر لویشته خاوره بدې بیا ډکه له خوند کړم.
The Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs Mullah Baradar Akhund paid a visit to Kajaki Dam on April 15th as part of his tour of Helmand province. During his visit, the Deputy Prime Minister commended the efforts of the Kajaki Dam project officials and provided them with valuable recommendations to enhance their work. He emphasized the national significance of the Kajaki Dam project, recognizing it as a vital infrastructure endeavor. Mullah Baradar Akhund praised the officials for their dedication to advancing such initiatives. The Deputy Prime Minister highlighted the impact of drought and water scarcity on electricity production in the past, noting that heavy rainfall this year has resulted in increased water levels in dams across the country, including Kajaki Dam. This surge in water levels is expected to bolster agricultural growth and elevate electricity production levels nationwide. It is noteworthy that the Kajaki Dam, situated in the Kajaki district of Helmand province, stands as one of the largest dams in Afghanistan and is constructed to regulate seasonal floods along the Helmand River, provide irrigation for agricultural land, and generate electricity.
خاوره بدې بیا ډکه له خوند کړم.